Can a simple banana really smooth away wrinkles? In Korea, many women prefer bananas to expensive serums. They say that a banana worth just a few cents can bring results that no $1,000 serum can match. In today's video, I'll reveal 2 simple yet surprisingly effective natural anti-aging recipes helping to smooth wrinkles, deeply hydrate, and nourish your skin to stay healthy and glowing every day. First, prepare a ripe banana. After peeling, cut the banana flesh into small pieces to make it easier to work with. Bananas have long been considered a wonderful natural ingredient for the skin thanks to their rich content of vitamins A, B, C, and E, as well as minerals like potassium, zinc, and magnesium. These nutrients help hydrate, soften, and support the skin's natural elasticity, leaving it healthier and more radiant each day. Next, place the chopped banana into a clean glass bowl to get ready for the following step. Don't rush to throw away the banana peel because the soft white inner layer is packed with valuable nutrients. Banana peels are rich in vitamin B6, vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants that help moisturize, soften the skin, fade dark spots, and bring out a natural glow. You can gently scrape out the white inner part to maximize its use. In fact, both banana flesh and banana peel are abundant sources of natural collagen vitamins, A, B, and C, magnesium, and antioxidants, helping maintain elasticity, nourish smooth skin, reduce inflammation, and protect against environmental stress. Add everything into the same glass bowl with the banana flesh. Once you've prepared the banana and peel, squeeze in the juice of half a fresh lemon. Lemon is naturally rich in vitamin C, an essential nutrient that helps boost collagen production, improve skin tone, fade dark spots, and leave your complexion looking radiant and refreshed. Next, add 3 tablespoons of unsweetened milk to the bowl. Milk contains lactic acid, a natural AHA that gently removes dead skin cells and old keratin layers, revealing smoother, healthier, and more luminous skin. Once all the ingredients are ready, place everything into a blender and blend until you get a smooth, creamy mixture. This is the key step to creating an all-natural anti-aging mask that's simple to make right at home. After blending into a silky cream with banana peel, lemon, and milk, divide the mixture into 2 equal parts. From here, we'll transform it into 2 different skincare recipes, each bringing its own unique benefits. I'm really curious, where in the world are our dear Merry Home viewers watching from? Leave a comment below so we can all see how far our community has reached. And now let's move on to the very first recipe. We'll add each ingredient step by step to maximize the skincare benefits. First, add 1 egg yolk to the mixture. Egg yolk is packed with protein, zinc, and vitamin A, nutrients that deeply nourish the skin, calm irritation, and help restore the natural protective barrier, leaving your skin healthier and smoother after each use. Next, add about 1 pump of vitamin E serum. Often referred to as a powerful antioxidant weapon, vitamin E helps slow down the aging process, supports wrinkle reduction, and fades unwanted dark spots. Finally, mix all the ingredients until well combined. The blend of egg yolk and vitamin E combined with banana lemon and milk creates a deeply nourishing face mask. This mixture not only hydrates but also helps regenerate and rejuvenate the skin, making it especially beneficial for those with dry skin or early signs of wrinkles. To use this face mask, start by thoroughly cleansing your skin to remove any dirt, allowing the nutrients to absorb more effectively. Next, use a clean brush or your fingers to apply a thin layer of the mixture evenly across your face. Then take a thin tissue paper, cut it to fit your face, and gently place it on top like a DIY sheet mask. Apply another thin layer of the mixture over the tissue to secure it and enhance the skincare benefits. Repeat this process 3 times. Keep the first layer on for 10 minutes, the second layer for another 10 minutes, and the final layer for about 15 minutes. In total, 35 minutes is enough for the nutrients from banana peel, egg yolk, and vitamin E to deeply absorb and deliver their full benefits. After removing the mask, rinse your face with warm water. And you'll immediately notice your skin feeling soft, plump, and visibly smoother even after the very first use. For storage place, the mixture in a clean glass jar, seal it tightly, and keep it in the refrigerator. Use it within 7 days. For best results, apply about 3 times a week. This natural and safe solution helps your skin stay smooth, healthy, and youthful right at home. The special highlight of this recipe lies in the combination of banana and banana peel, providing deep hydration while protecting the skin with their richness in potassium and the antioxidant lutein. When paired with vitamin E and egg yolk, the mixture not only tightens pores and soothes the skin, but also helps improve brightness, even out skin tone, and keep your complexion healthy and radiant. And this is just the first recipe. The next one will be even more special. Don't miss it, because there are definitely some beauty secrets that will surprise you. For the second recipe, we'll add some familiar ingredients that deliver powerful effects on the skin. First, place 1 green tea bag into the banana and the banana peel extract you prepared earlier. Green tea is well known for its richness in polyphenols and catechins, potent antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals and slow down premature aging. In addition, green tea helps reduce inflammation, soothe irritated skin, and leave a refreshing cooling sensation. Next, add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder to the mixture. The caffeine in coffee helps stimulate blood circulation, reduce puffiness around the eyes, and support firmer skin with minimized pores. After that, add a few drops of vitamin E. This natural moisturizer works to repair dry, flaky skin, strengthen the protective barrier, and slow down signs of aging. The harmonious blend of banana peel, green tea, coffee, and vitamin E creates a nutrient-rich face mask that helps brighten the skin, smooth out fine lines, and enhance natural elasticity. After each use, you'll notice your skin feeling refreshed, firm, and full of vitality. This is the perfect choice for anyone looking to rejuvenate their skin safely and naturally. The application method for the second recipe is the same as the first. After cleansing your face, apply a thin layer of the mixture. over your face and neck. Place a thin tissue sheet on top. Then repeat the process 3 times. Leave each layer on for about 10-15 minutes, for a total of 35 minutes, allowing the nutrients to deeply absorb before rinsing off. While the mask is on, you'll feel your skin naturally hydrated, softer, and more comfortable. The combination of caffeine polyphenols, vitamin E, and the natural collagen from bananas helps gently lift the skin, reduce puffiness, smooth out wrinkles, and stimulate blood circulation. Finally, rinse your face gently with clean water to remove the mask, leaving your skin fresh and breathable. Pat dry and apply a thin layer of moisturizer or facial oil to lock in hydration and keep your skin soft and smooth. If you consistently apply this mask 3 times a week, you'll notice brighter, firmer, and more radiant skin without the need for expensive treatments. The mixture should be stored in a clean glass jar, sealed tightly, and kept in the refrigerator. Use it within 5 days to preserve all the nutrients. This is a natural and budget-friendly way to care for your skin, yet it still delivers noticeable results. So, we've just explored 2 banana-based recipes that deeply moisturize, smooth the skin, fade wrinkles, and improve natural elasticity. Simple, safe, and easy to do right at home, keeping your skin healthy, fresh, and youthful every day. As we enter middle age, our skin tends to become drier, more prone to wrinkles, and less firm. Alongside natural remedies like banana or green tea, make sure to drink enough water, sleep early, eat foods rich in vitamins, and maintain a gentle facial massage routine each night. These small daily habits will help your skin stay rosy, firm, and youthful. Please note that the recipes in this video are for reference only and do not replace professional medical advice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our natural health and beauty tips. Thank you for watching, wishing you good health and peace. See you in the next video.